G'day, it's Matt here, back with our 5th and final episode of Hyundai Access All Areas. Very special one today because we've teamed up with Hyundai Help for Kids and we're off to surprise a very special family with an unreal match day experience at the Roar game this afternoon. Let's go get them. Ben and Josh?
Yeah.
How you going? My name's Matt. I'm from Hyundai Access All Areas. We've got a surprise for you. We've got a Hyundai parked right there. You jump in the car with me right now, and Mum, and we'll go to the game VIP styles.
Awesome.
You do that?
Absolutely.
Josh is profoundly vision impaired, so he's got a condition which can deteriorate, so he could lose that. They're just so close, the two of them. Yeah, they share a really special bond.
And they've never been to an A-League game?
They haven't, this is the first time, so particularly exciting for them.
Well, here we are, guys, Suncorps Stadium. Someone I need to introduce you to. Come on, Michael Theo. Here we got Benny and Josh.
Yep.
Benny and Josh. Benny, nice to meet you. Joshua, nice to meet you too, mate.
Benny plays a bit of soccer himself. Well, how about maybe you put your money where your mouth is as a striker and see if we can put one in the Hyundai fan van.
Oh, not a bad effort.
What do we got here?
Boys, we've got some Brisbane Roar membership packs here. One for you, Joshy. One for Ben.
Suncorps Stadium, walking out the tunnel. What do you reckon? While the boys are out warming up, we can sneak in and have a look at the change rooms?
Come on, boys, let's have a quick look.
Yeah, let's go.
You guys are going to have to wear these now that you're Brisbane Roar supporters and you've got to show your orange colours.
All right, boys, 500 metres and you've hit the 12K mark.
All right,
You can do it.
we better let them do their work.
Now we've got Ben and Josh, who are part of the Hyundai Access All Areas.
That's awesome, yeah.
Here we are, guys. We're in the Chairman's Lounge. Got a perfect view right on halfway. I'm going to leave you with Mum and Dad to enjoy the game, and if you need anything, just shout, okay?
Okay.
Come on, Roar, go!
Duncan kept it away from them. Back in cleverly. Oh, he had an empty net. Lines around Bozian, plays a killer ball. Joey Chandler. There's the goal.
Well, how's today been for you, sitting back, watching the boys have this experience?
It's been fabulous.
Yeah?
They've just had an absolutely wonderful day, and just to see the joy on their faces is just wonderful. So yeah, it's been incredible.
Dad?
It's just been a great experience. I know the kids are going to really take that away with them.
Well, I'll let you go and enjoy the rest of the experience with the boys as they get some autographs, and it's all because of Hyundai Access All Areas and Hyundai Help for Kids. So thanks, guys.
Thank you.
No worries.